Hi guys, welcome back. And on this channel we sometimes talk about lifestyle, DIY, fashion, budgeting, like this video right here. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna be starting our July month. If you guys watched my last budget with me, I told you guys I'm using the remaining months in this budget book, and then I'm gonna buy her new one. So I'm gonna be redoing the month of March, and I'm gonna be using this holographic pretty sticker paper to decorate it. So stay tuned, keep on watching. So I'm going to be throwing this July over the month of March here. And then we can kind of get into the finance part of it because I still have a party to pay for. So it's going to be very quick, very easy because I'm still paying for the kids' party. So not a lot of cash stuffing is going to go into a lot of my envelopes. Just the normal miscellaneous gas and all that stuff. So I'm gonna fast forward this part where I write everything in, and then I'm gonna come back and just explain, just break it down by column. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on all of this. Let's see if I can make it readable. Okay, so for my work, I'm getting paid. It's $2,040 in income. I did work overtime, but I'm not calculating that into my budgeting this time because there was a discrepancy on my check last my last time I got paid. So I know they're going to be balancing that out. So I'm not going to count any overtime on this check. I'm just going to use my straight worked hours and on this check, and then just do my bills that way. So I have Capital One, my 3 Capital One credit cards that are due, my LA Fitness, my Smile Generation card that's due, my T-Mobile, my Verizon, Amazon, my Apple Family, my Bank of America, my Chase, my Audible. So these are just like my bills that are due in the middle of the month. So with all those bills added up, I'm going to be paying $786, which leaves me, after I minus that from my income, leaves me $1,254. In my envelopes that I carry with me, just like my envelope part of it, I am putting $150 away for gas, $30 away for miscellaneous, and $200 away for groceries, which in total is $380, which if I minus that from the $1,254, I get a balance of $874. I'm going to bring that up to the top. And then for my sinking funds, I'm only stuffing my emergency, my savings, and my travel. And each of them are going to get $50 inside them. So minus the $150 from $874, you get $724. And then for the kids' party, I am going to be paying $125 on the dance teacher. I actually messed these two up. So the hall is getting $300, and then the dresses are getting a payment of $125, which gives me a balance of $550. So I'm going to minus $724 from $550, which gives me a remaining balance of $174, which that amount I am going to be placing in my savings account. So I'm just going to do the direct transfer from my checkings to my savings, and I'm just going to hold on to that until my next pay period, because this check was smaller to me because I'm used to getting a lot of overtime and using the income from the overtime. So I am going to be saving that $174 just in case something comes up or something happens. So that is going to be my July, like my first paycheck of the month. yeah, if you guys like videos like this, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye guys.